But when we look at nutrition in terms of a plant, it's the whole package. You need to get the culture right, and if you've got the pH wrong, or the growing media or the water, or the temperature's wrong, you've got too little or too much fertiliser, it's just as important as applying the correct amount of water to the media. So all these things are important. So if you fall down on one of them, you're going to get a problem. So you can have all the iron, the magnesium and the nitrogen that the crop needs. If you don't provide enough water, you're not going to get a healthy crop. And that's where I'm coming from, really. And when we look at the plant roots, they're taking up little ions around the roots, and these are bound onto the peat or the soil or whatever particles are in there, and they sort of compete. So if you have too much of one of these ions, it can restrict the uptake of something else. So that's really important to get things in balance. So if you apply too much nitrogen, you'll get some growth, but you'll also restrict the uptake of potassium and things like that, and you may get unhealthy growth. You might get stretched growth, and this sort of growth is unsustainable to the plant. So when you move the crop outside, it can be blown in the wind, need more water to keep it going, but also under protection you're going to get botrytis and other diseases coming into this soft growth. So if you get things right, you can avoid a lot of the problems.